That's the reason why it simply drops on there and the phone does not fall. So here's the first run I've completed. I'm gonna call this 90% of it, just so you can see. Now it's not glued yet because I just pushed it in just so I can see what it's gonna look like. So this is what I've been using to put my phone in. So I'm gonna slide that out of the way, and this is what's going to replace it. Okay, so it looks pretty good, but the only thing I need is the legs that are gonna go down here and touch the bottom. But I wanted to come out here to see if this is gonna be on the way of any buttons, which it looks like it is. I'm gonna have to cut these longer and make it wider. But here's what I wanted to show you. Now I have the option. This is not gonna be glued, so I can do this. Okay, that was tilted, and then I can pan and straighten it. I can pan by simply turning this, and then if the phone rings, I simply take it out. Because this piece here that holds phones, I screwed a magnet at the bottom. That's the reason why it simply drops on there and the phone does not fall. Of course, I'm gonna secure all this when everything's done, measured, and then we'll keep showing the rest of the video in the next step.